Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Hey, you ever seen one of these? It's not a phone. It's magic. It's better than a phone. It's a magical controller. And it's got two sides to it. And it controls the throne. Okay, check this out. I got a button right here on the bottom, and I can turn on a blow dryer. Now you might be thinking, why would you need a blow dryer on a toilet? And the answer is because this is a bidet toilet seat. That's right, it can wash your front, it can wash your back. You can even use the arrows to change front and rear, high water pressure, low water pressure. You can change the temperature of the water and the temperature of the seat itself. You got a heated seat in your car? Who cares? You got a heated seat on your throne? That's where the magic is. Oh, and it's got this button right here. Let me show you what that does. Yeah, I'm serious. You hit the button, boom, night light mode. You ever seen a freaking night light inside of a toilet? It actually is shooting from the bidet seat. Okie dokie. As you can see, it's got a little sensor here, so it knows when someone's sitting down. You heard it beep. When you get up, it turns off. So that's a cool feature because if you have the bidet on, like so, you'll see it start spraying here. And then you have to get off. You don't actually have to hit the stop button at all. You get off the toilet, it automatically turns off for you. Okay, let me show you a couple different features and modes on the remote control here. So we have rear, we have ladies, we have blow drying, we have user 1 and 2, you have a stop button, and then on the other side you have your various pressure modes, that night light button I showed you, blow dryer if you want that beeping sound on or off because it can get annoying, your water temperature, your seat temperature, and then you got kids modes, and you got a little battery pack right here, and then you have also a screen. So let me show you. Let's pretend I'm on here, and I'm going to turn on the rear sprayer. So this is for men and women. Anyone can use this right here. And let's say that's too high of water pressure. All you have to do right here is click the low button, and you can see that we have 5 different levels of strength that we could do. So if I want to bring up the water pressure, it's going up, and you can hear, and now you can see the water pressure going up and down. Now, you don't need to actually move because if you wanted to go further back, you can hit rear and aim, or you can go front. There are 5 increments. Now what's nice is, let's say you like a good wiping motion. What you do is you just hit this button again. You'll see it rocks back and forth to make sure that you're fully cleaned. Okay, now let's say you're done with that. You want a blow dryer. You just hit the blow dryer button. You'll see that the water stem retracts, and then the air is going to start blowing. Hopefully you can hear it. Okay, it's fantastic. Now, if you want to stop it, you can hit the stop button on the remote control right here, or you can get off. I'm going to hit the stop button. And finally, what I'm going to show you is for the ladies, you have a very similar function just for the frontal. So you click this button, and you'll see that it's going to come out. It's the same stem. It's just going to angle a little bit differently, so it hits more of that front area. You can see it can also do the back and forth if you want it just in one spot. You just tap that, and then of course we have our same controls. So we can move it back a little bit more. We can move it forward. You can see how far into the seat it reaches over here. And then of course we can bring our water pressure up or down. So I'm very, very pleased with this bidet. The heated seat is very, very nice to use. It's very difficult to get off of here. And the remote is really nice. Batteries last for a year plus at a time. And if you don't want that beeping sound on, you can just hit this and disable the beep. And there you go. So hopefully you enjoyed the fact that I sprayed my bathroom completely with water for you to show off this bidet. Thankfully, I realized that this works pretty well, and I hope this video helped. Bye.